This is Brian Aldrich from 4th Street Software. I just want to show you a new product. This is the count card for 4th Street Baseball. Comes in a little tuck box like this, and once you open it, there's a set of 60 cards, count cards, and on the front side of them there's a variety of different things that you can use to determine the count. So if you look real closely here, pitcher ERA, if it's less than 2, less than 3, less than 4, less than 5, or greater than 5, it'll just tell you what the count is on this particular card. It's 0-0 all the way across, but look at a couple other ones. If a pitcher has a sub 2.0 ERA, he is going to get ahead in the count more frequently than another pitcher would. Also included, fastball, breaking ball. If you have a pitcher who's ahead in the count and you want to find out if he's going to throw a fastball or a breaking ball, you simply take his two ratings and subtract them. So for instance, if a pitcher had a 10 fastball, 8 breaking ball, 10 minus 8 is 2. Simply look over here. From +4 to +2, when the pitcher is ahead, he's going to throw a fastball. And this guy is just going to throw one in all cases there. But on the other hand, if you had a guy that was behind in the count, or excuse me, ahead in the count, but threw better, maybe had the reverse splits, so 8 fastball, 10 breaking ball, he's going to throw a breaking ball. Also in the corner is a little blue number, or number outlined in blue, that you can use to determine whether or not there will be a stolen base attempt. So you can see whether or not a runner on base gets a good jump. So just to lay it down here, if I'm playing a game and we've got a pitcher going, I'm just going to go ahead, flip over the count card. It'll tell me what my count is. Flip over another one. That'll tell you what pitch is going to come, fastball or breaking ball. And then if there's a runner on base, if you want to, you can use this to determine whether or not they get a good count, get a good jump.